How long is your day? No.
Why are your videos not funny?
Yeah. The thing I'm not a weeb at all, you know. There isn't any problem with BTS itself, it's their fan base. Can you guys introduce yourselves? Because I only know what's your name?
Zayu, bro.
I only know what's your name, bro.
I
I know
only
you,
know
but
one
what's your
person.
name?
Okay, I'm Zayo, bro, owner of you. And then this is Chintu. He is a content
Gordon
creator
Ramsay.
for you.
Confound.
Okay.
And then Diatomic is the creative warrior for you, and Goli is also creative
Goalie is just
warrior.
there, you know. He's just hanging around.
That's great.
Okay, so Goli, you're doing intro.
Oh. The fuck am I doing the intro?
Bro, you
Aren't
literally
you kind
told
of
you.
moment?
Yeah, the question, goalie.
Is this the moment?
Yes.
Just go
Yeah,
on
it
to
is.
ask that question.
Okay, just ask the question, bro.
That's the
Yeah, don't worry.
Fuck, this is too awkward. I'm not ready for this. I'm not mentally prepared.
Bro, just start intro. Shut up.
I'm parents.
Sure.
5 minutes later.
Just start with the question at least, Goli.
Yeah.
I'm not mentally prepared for this, bro. I need like 1 hour or some shit.
So why aren't you mentally prepared? I am the one who is supposed to be mentally
We're
prepared
asking the
because
question. Where are we moving?
yeah.
We literally discussed this like 10 minutes ago, bro.
You don't have to worry. You can ask me anything about anything.
How long is your day? No. Shit, that's not the question.
Yeah, I haven't measured that. I'm sorry.
Wrong question, bro. Shit,
Do you guys actually measure? I want to. This is a genuine question. Do you guys actually measure your dicks? And if so, how?
It
1
depends,
and a
bro.
half iPhone 7.
I haven't,
What?
but I don't know, bro. Use a scale.
1 and
Ask
a half
Goli, he
iPhone
will
7.
know.
Ask me why. I use the iPhone 7.
11 minutes later.
Why are your videos not funny?
Yeah. Is that a genuine question?
Yes.
I mean, it's really subjective. If you it depends from person to person. So if you don't like it, you can always. It's not for you. It's for anyone who
Bro,
watches
fine,
me.
bro. We are just kidding, calm.
I'm trying to be as
Pulled out
real
the
as
book,
possible.
dude.
You know? I'm trying to answer each and every question with like really precisely.
Yeah, okay, Kaupi,
At
can you
most
introduce
seriousness.
yourself to everyone?
I'm Shashwat Sharma and I go by Cow Peas Healthy on the internet. I actually like both names. So if you ever meet me in public, you can either call me Cowpea or you can call me Shashwat. I'll be more than happy. If that you ever meet me in public, which is not really likely because I barely go out of my house. Anyways, yes. So I'm Shashwat, aka Cowpea, and I've been doing YouTube for the past years since 2018, and I used to be a Fortnite streamer. I started off, and I guess that was a way to step into YouTube. And now that I've sort of built up a base and sort of established myself, I've decided to completely change my content and get into storyline videos and yeah, basically storyline videos. And yeah, I'm still in the process. I haven't completely transformed from a streamer to person who makes videos. So yeah, that's me. If you
Yeah, so do you think Fortnite made you grow more than content creation?
I mean, obviously, from the time I've left playing or streaming Fortnite, I haven't really seen any growth. But in the long run, I feel like Fortnite won't be really useful, and it's not even that I just stopped enjoying streaming. It came to a dead end where I forced myself to stream every day. So there are multiple reasons. So yes, I think. What was the question again? I'm sorry.
did Fortnite make you grow more than content creation?
Yeah, obviously, it has given me my base audience. So I'm really thankful to Fortnite for that. But yes, yeah, obviously, Fortnite has got me more subscribers or numbers. So obviously, that is true. That is true.
Q&A wins at in one of the parts. I think one kid had asked for where is your AC remote or something, and then
Yeah.
and then you had gone running somewhere. Like, how
Yeah,
do you
like-
get those ideas of making those putting your stuff, putting all those ideas into your videos?
Okay, so talking about effort, I mean, personally, I don't see it like no wait actually, there are the small creators who actually put in a lot of effort. Okay, once that is the hard work it takes to get yourself in the mainstream YouTubers. It's yeah, I mean, yes, and talking about your second question, that was how do I put all of that in one? Even I don't know that. It's like it takes a lot of time to think about it and you know adding everything and trying to make sense out of it. So even though like even right now, I haven't uploaded for what a month, and sometimes it's like really demotivating, and I don't know when because I have delivered in the past, and like not only people, I myself have more expectations from myself. So if I come up with the idea which I am not satisfied with, I feel like if I am not satisfied myself, what will like I think about the audience, so yeah, it is really difficult to keep delivering at the same pace and with the same content, and it's yeah,
But like all your
Yeah,
ideas are till now are super good, and like then you include even your family, like in
Yeah.
one of the day in a life of Kaupi, or
Yeah.
I included your mother, and then this.
Yeah, actually, my mother is really always. She always wants. Whenever I record or make videos, she's always like, "मेरे को भी आना है, मेरे को भी आना है." So, I mean, it's her interest. It's not that I force her to do that. So yes, that's one thing. Yeah, I try my level best to deliver the best with what I have. So yeah, that's the thing. That's what I think everyone should do.
Yeah,
It's-
and
it's not-
in that video, did your mother like actually come and scream at you, or was she
Actually,
acting?
Yeah, actually, yeah. So she usually is angry at me for that. Says the same thing, and it was like she got a chance to because I wasn't saying anything at that time, and usually when she scolds me, I do talk back, and she got the full liberty to shout at me.
Yeah,
So,
parents' dream come true.
yeah, it was a dream come true for her. So she grabbed the opportunity and delivered at the. It only took like two shots to for it to be perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so if what would you say was your funniest video and why?
Oh yeah, the recent one. It's not funny. It's the I'll rather say the best video was the day in the life of a Veep. Many reasons because
Edited that.
yeah.
Did you edit
What?
it yourself?
Yeah, obviously I edited it myself.
How long does it take for one video to be fully edited and uploaded and recorded?
Look, so okay, yeah, I always wanted to talk about this. So I guess the hardest part about making a video, for me at least, is recording. It's recording. Editing it takes like 1 week, and thinking of ideas take like 3-4 days. But the recording process, okay, even the thinking part is included in the recording, because what goes in your mind and what you think of something in your mind when you go to implement it, it does not turn up. It does not turn up the same way.
Yeah,
So, yeah,
it's better in your head, but in the video.
yeah, it's better in my head. And when I go to when I go to record, it's not the same case. So yeah, What was I saying? Shit, I forgot. Yeah, so yeah, what was the question again?
It was like, what is your funniest video and why?
Yeah,
If
yeah,
you
yeah.
were supposed to say.
Yeah, the anime one because wait, let me think. Why is it the funniest one? Wait.
Like, if you
Actually,
could
for me. Yeah, wait. Let me complete this answer. For me, the anime video was perfect for me. Like, not perfect, but the best because that's how it was in my mind for the most part, and I tried to implement it. It was pretty accurate क्योंकि जब तुम्हारे दिमाग में जो चीज़ होती है एंड व्हेन यू ट्राई टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट तो उसका काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्लोज था जो मैंने सोचा था उसके तो इट टर्न आउट टू बी रियली गुड एंड आई गेस उसका रिस्पॉन्स बहुत अच्छा था देयर वर सो मेनी एलिमेंट्स इन द वीडियो दैट्स वन थिंग एंड I really got out of my comfort zone to make that video and the thing I'm not a weeb at all, you know.
You're
So
not.
I'm not at all.
So you just took
I
this
have not watched.
difficult
I have watched a couple of animes for the sake of making the video because I had to learn about the anime and the weeb culture. So yes, I am not a weeb at all. That's one thing. So the whole process was really fun making. Okay, so one more thing I'll add up. Sorry if this is not included in the question. It's like the type of videos I make. Like I have so much fun in making videos. It's not comparable to streaming or anything, and I don't really care if I get no growth for a very long time. But I know eventually with the type of content I make, I'll get somewhere.
like you're fine what you are
like,
doing.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, it's like
because-
super unique your content. Like
Yeah.
I've not seen many people do
So that's one thing, and I don't fit in a genre, so which gives me a lot of liberty to explore and make more unique things because I don't really have a pressure of any sorts. I don't have to be in a criteria. I feel like because YouTube is one thing, it's a hobby, and I'm not obliged to do it. So it's like I don't want to compromise here. एक लौती चीज़ है जहाँ पे मैं अपना खुद के हिसाब से कर सकूँ चीज़ें. Is it fine if I'm talking in Hindi?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
You're comfortable in.
तो हाँ ये एक लौती पढ़ाई हो गई. So I have to compromise in पढ़ाई. ठीक है कि the way teachers teach me, I can't really मैं खुद के हिसाब से नहीं कर सकता ना पढ़ाई में चीज़ें और कुछ भी. अब तो YouTube एक चीज़ है जो मैं अपने हिसाब से करना चाहता हूँ, and I don't want कि इस क्राइटेरिया का यूट्यूबर है तो आई हैव टू मेक ऐसे वाले वीडियोस. आई कैन इवन ब्लॉग एट सम टाइम, आई इवन डू स्ट्रीम. तो ऐसा आई वांट टू कीप इट फ्लेक्सिबल बिकॉज आई हैव अ टेंडेंसी टू नॉट स्टिक टू अ थिंग फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. Yeah.
Parents support, like your parents and family, like in that, like fully support, or like they are like study, that is just a hobby.
Like they are really supportive. Once the video is out, even though they usually do not understand, but they all watch it together. So they support me a lot. I mean, yeah.
We could
they don't
collab
restrict
with
me.
someone.
I want to collab with someone. I don't really know whom to collab with.
Like, if you could collab with someone like from India or a content creator, like whom would you choose?
India. Look, I used to watch a lot of Indian YouTubers, but wait, let me think. Wait, who do I want to collab with?
Even if you collab, would it be a like vlog or like a gaming video, or like just a Q&A or
Like
something?
most Indian YouTubers like don't match your style.
Yeah, that's one thing. Yeah, I would if I do collab, it will be a vlog. It won't be a the type of video I make, the type of videos I make because yeah, I cannot really think of anyone who makes videos like me. Probably, yeah. I'll if there are I have some YouTube friends, so if I ever try to collab with them, it will probably be vlogs or a challenge sort of a video.
Meeting IRL and stuff.
Yeah,
I think you have done one collab. I think with Royal Dinesh.
yeah.
Or was that a collab or like he told you to go on Zoom and wait? I mean, Omegle.
Which one? Which video are you talking about?
The Omegle, you acted like a girl or something.
Oh yeah. Okay, so the story behind that is, it's actually a funny story, you know. So I used to do Omegle last year, June, July, and I tried, you know, I went to Omi TV this time, apart, like not Omegle, and I dressed
Yeah.
up. Yeah, I wore a wig and I showed my. I guess you guys have watched the video. So the thing is, I was doing that. I did that same thing with multiple weird uncles on that very website.
Yeah.
And turns out while I was streaming, my parents and my whole family were watching my stream that day. They usually don't on the television, and they found out me doing me dressing up like a girl, and you know those weird uncles making weird signs. So they got mad, and they immediately asked me to stop doing Omegle and all that. So at the same time, I guess Dinesh was streaming, and he saw me doing that, and he basically gave a reaction. So that was all live.
So like he didn't ask you to go on.
No, not at all. It was all me that day. But okay, so what? Then I wanted to, you know, make a highlight out of that stream and post it, but that didn't really happen because obviously अभी मेरे parents ने मना कर दिया था, so I gave him, you know, yes, you can do that. So I let him upload it on his channel.
Yeah, okay, so coming back to that point where you told that editing and all takes a lot of time, why don't you just get a team to edit for you?
Yeah, okay. I don't know if you guys have watched my vlog in which I dressed up like a cow and went to the
Yeah, I have
supermarket.
seen
How did you come up
Yeah.
with the courage to do that, bro?
Yeah, okay. I'll get to that point. But before that, I gave that video to someone to edit it for me because मेरे boards थे and I didn't have the time to edit. What happened is he took. It's not his fault. I'm not telling it's his fault. It took him 10 days to edit, and at the end, he gave me the video at 8 p.m. before the day I was about to upload it, and the same day I wasn't satisfied at all with the video, so I went into Premiere Pro and edited myself the whole thing. Not the whole thing, but 60-70% of that I re-edited because I wasn't satisfied. So there's like I need to give proper guidance to someone. There aren't like any, you know, as I said ki what goes in my mind, I want to execute it. I want to make it as accurate as possible. So अभी जो मेरे दिमाग में है वो मैं दूसरे के दिमाग में कैसे डालूं जब मैं खुद ही अपने वीडियोस में वो प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पा रहा इतना accurately. So that's one thing कि I do not I edit my videos myself. Or okay, so if it's some sort of a challenge video, or if it's कोई Omegle video, or it's something like that, I can even give it to someone. Oh yes, in the past, if you guys have watched my stream highlights, I didn't used to edit at that time. I was editing. So those sorts of videos can be given to someone where stream highlights ऐसा कुछ funny reaction Omegle thing. But these are proper skit storyline videos where it will be hard for me to convey what I want, if you get me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cow thing, how did you go out like
Yeah.
I can't go out normally, bro.
Yeah, so it was hard. I won't lie कि मैं ऐसे चला गया, but it was very hard. There were people all around looking at me, and it was tough. But I mean,
You didn't
you have to do it. You have to get out of your comfort zone to do something. So I did it. Once I did it, it felt so good. Obviously, कि ऐसा, even though I wasn't able to get a lot of content out of that very thing, but yes, it was one of a experience. But, remarkable experience. Gathering courage was the hardest part, yes. But once I was in the supermarket, I was like कि अभी जो हो तो अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. It was and the thing is कि most of the supermarkets were closed and we were kicked out of the supermarket because I guess recording wasn't allowed, or I was wearing a cow costume. That was the reason. But yes, we weren't allowed in the supermarket after we did that.
Something people misunderstand about, like they put you in the stereotypical way.
Wait, give me a second. I need to reconnect my headphones. Wait.
Yeah, sure.
Chintu,
Bro, Chintu, ask.
Dumbass, is he even here? Jesus.
I don't know.
11 minutes later.
Yeah.
Is
What are you
cowpea
asking?
healthy?
Hello. What?
Is cowpea healthy?
For sure. For sure, yes. You were talking about the stereotypical thing, right? Yeah, people often like, it's hard for people to believe that I'm serious about the cowpea thing. People often think that it's a joke, which I want to clear out, and I try
Joke
to.
until I watched that one video where you
Yeah, you drank cowpea, I think.
That was like 2 years ago. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, people often think it's a joke. It's all ironic how I've named myself Cowpea Delhi, but it actually isn't. Not only cowpea, I actually love cows. If you can even see it in my profile picture. Yeah.
Was your name the same like from the start?
No, it wasn't.
It was some Dasu, Shashu or something.
Shashu is Dasu. It was.
Yeah.
How did you come?
I mean, it wasn't, I don't know, it was really random. I was in the car one day and I saw a cow and I was like, I already liked cows at that time and it just clicked me at that time. And around the same time, I even watched Carl Rock's video in which he drank cowpea and I was like, yo, I wouldn't have a problem doing that. So, yeah, that.
Ask you something. Why were you watching
Yeah,
people
sure.
drink cowpea?
No, it was just, I don't know, it came, don't ask me that.
I'm the first one.
Yeah.
Like, tell us a joke, like, which you would think is funny, like if
Yo.
someone told you.
Why? I don't know if wait, let me. Shall I tell you guys a joke?
Yes.
I don't know.
You guys want me to joke?
Yeah, just go. I don't think this is professional anymore, but yeah, just go on.
It's not a podcast anymore.
No, I feel like
It looks like
if
an interview or a PTM, bro. I'm not liking this. So just tell us a joke.
is it actually? Am
Tell
I
us something
breaking
funny
the
that
vibe?
happened at IRL.
Okay, so if you guys ask me about a joke, it will turn out to be really terrible because my jokes are more of spontaneous jokes. If I think about joking, I am terrible at it. And what was the other thing? Yeah, what happened IRL
Yeah,
while making the videos or in
just
general?
any time.
Wait, I have to think about it. Wait. A lot of funny things happen in my life. I cannot really recall anything right now. Why? I have a really fun life. Trust me.
Do
I
you
cannot really
support
think of-
BTS?
Do I support BTS? Okay, there's one thing.
Bro, there are comment sections, bro, in video. Please think about it and answer.
Yeah, and BTS, I don't really hate BTS. I hate the fan base. I like Dynamite. Dynamite. I like that song. Nothing wrong with that. I just don't
Songs
like
are
that.
good, but then the
yeah,
fan base is super cringe.
She's making
Yeah,
it so
it's
much
the fan.
worse than it's like.
That's probably with each and everything. The fan base ruins everything. It's with the top YouTubers. Sometimes the fan base is
Some
really
people are
cringe.
fine, but like the rest of them are just talk
Yeah.
about anything. It has to be BTS.
Exactly. There isn't any problem with BTS itself. It's their fan base. it's with each and everything. If you have, you, no matter how good your thing is, if your fan base is cringe, most of the people won't, most of the smart people won't, be around you or your whatever it is.
Let's go, guys. We got that.
What's up
He
with
was
Shinto
talking
and the
about-
Gordon Ramsay PSP?
He sends for him, bro. It's
He
just
sends
too.
for him.
Don't ask him about it, please. He's just weird.
I mean, I don't really have any
He came back
problem
for
with
2
weird
minutes.
people.
He came again.
Do you like Muslims?
What?
Do you support? Wait,
Do I support who?
Muslims, Muslims. Yes.
Muslims? Why are you asking this question?
Bro,
I support Muslims. They aren't oppressed, come on.
Uh,
okay, like I've seen many comments in your videos. Like everyone is like, all your videos are cringe. Why are you doing this and stuff? Like, why do you, like, how do you, what do you call?
Did anyone
Stay
say
away
that?
from, like, not feel bad about you being cringe or something.
Okay, yeah, people call me cringe. Yeah, that's a lot. I've heard that a lot. I mean,
There should be a little bit of cringe. Like
what's wrong?
Yeah, they're like nothing. It
What's
like
wrong
gives.
in being cringe? I ask myself whenever someone says that I'm cringe, I'm like, okay, what's wrong with it? It's
If you ask
part of
someone
my
else,
personality now. What's wrong with being cringe? Oh, yeah.
yeah, don't really know.
What was your question, by the way?
how
how do you forget the question after you answer it?
No, I just cross check whether I answered it correctly or not.
Yeah, you answered it perfectly.
Yeah.
Does anyone in your school know you have a YouTube channel?
Oh well, yes. Well, okay, so yeah, there's one story with this. Previously when I didn't have a YouTube channel, I was a really low confident child. I didn't have really good friends. I had friends, but they weren't really good friends. But yeah, YouTube gave me a lot of confidence. Not only on the internet, it did help me out in real life as well. Starting YouTube, even if I don't make it big on YouTube, or I stop it eventually, which I know I won't. I wouldn't be sad, because that's probably the best thing I've done starting YouTube. It has like changed my personality. No, not for myself, it's for everyone. I was talking about you were talking about the school thing. So once so I guess I was around 1,000 subscribers, and if you guys know who Ronnie Games is, he once raided me, and yeah, he did. A lot of people from school were watching Ronnie at that time, and they found out about my channel. And at that time, like, it was 2019 October, and that was the time when people actually used to come to me and shake hands with me. See, oh, why Ronnie? Yes, that felt really
They
good.
started treating you differently after that.
Yeah, they just started treating me completely differently. Not everyone, but a lot of them. Yeah, so that was a turning point for me. I felt really confident and happy when that happened, and that gave me that motivated me a lot. At that point, yes. So that's a lot of people, my friends know. Even I guess one or two teachers know about it. So I guess now I have, because before that I don't feel like I had any my presence. I felt like my presence didn't matter in school, and now I think there is some presence. People know me from school.
What kids move?
It doesn't really matter, but what? Yes.
No, carry on.
Yeah, that's it.
What kids movie do you think is scary?
Scariest movie for me?
Kids. Yeah. Like a
Scariest kids movie.
Dude, don't bring this up.
Don't tell them. Don't tell them.
This thing is turning the other way around, bro.
Just
Okay,
talk
bro.
about
Last
something
question.
casual.
This question is like been in my mind for a long time.
Yeah.
So, in one of your videos, I'd seen you do your first video with your friend. What was going through your mind at that time when making the video?
The first video with my
The
friend in
math one or
2016.
something.
Magic one. Oh my god,
Oh, yeah.
the magic one, bro.
Oh yes. Okay. So the same guy told me about YouTube at that time. You know, I knew what YouTube was, but उसने ऐसा बोला कि अरे भाई YouTube चालू करते बहुत पैसा मिलेगा और सब होगा. तो मैं बोला श्योर भाई क्या तकलीफ है कुछ नहीं. तो we went on YouTube and searched up for what was trending, and there was this math illusion in which you had to add up, multiply, divide, subtract and all, and you got the same number 4. So that's what we tried to replicate at that time, and yes, there wasn't really anything going in my mind. I was like, yo, I'm gonna be a billionaire soon, because at that time, you know, there weren't any people, many people who knew about YouTube also, and they didn't know कि तुम लोग YouTube पे वीडियो बना सकते हो. तो I felt really exclusive कि ओ भाई मैं तो YouTube पे वीडियो डालता हूँ.
At start, you didn't think like you would take this seriously or like you wanted to take it seriously.
Okay, if I talk about the starting, I was a kid. मेरे को कुछ मालूम नहीं था, तो I jump off to 2018 when I started streaming. So at that time, I started streaming. The next day I got to know about streaming. तो जिस दिन को पता चला कि streaming क्या होता है, उसके next day मैं streaming start कर दी. ऐसा था. तो I don't know कि 2 minutes. In 2018, I started off with Fortnite, and I was consistent, and I got like 1,000 subscribers within 4 months. I started 2018. Okay, within 1 year, I got 1,000 subscribers. So I didn't really expect that. But then after I got 1,000 subscribers, I asked my dad for a PC, and then I got my PC, and then my growth stopped because when I used to stream on mobile, I used to get like 50-60 watching constant, and once I stopped streaming Fortnite on mobile, I didn't really have any Indian audience back then. It was Bhar ke sab log. When I started off it on PC, I used to, I wanted to be in the Indian Fortnite community, so I completely, let the mobile past behind and try to get good on PC, and used to stream daily. 2019 and 2020 till 2-3 years I constantly streamed. Even I don't think so I'm big at all right now. So now it's
So yeah, about growth. I know I have asked you this a lot of times. Why don't you want to join teams to make you grow? Like they would help you a lot.
okay.
He was just waiting for our team, dude. Let's just sit.
No. I have asked him a lot of times.
No, look. I haven't really joined any team abhi tak. Bishma, I guess I did for 1 or 2-3 days, but it didn't turn out to be really good. I mean, yeah, it wasn't like I never felt in place. Whenever I was really close to joining a team or I was in a team, I never felt homely. I don't know. And apart from that, I just don't get the idea or the concept of teams that yeah, it's just weird. And I haven't really thought about it. I haven't found any team which can help me grow exponentially. And if I'm in a team, I need to I'll have commitments, and I need to I'll have to complete them. So I don't think so I'll be able to do that. I don't know. Yeah, that question. Yeah, I genuinely don't know about the teams, or I don't really know the concept properly, and yeah. That's one thing. Yes, if yeah, if a team pays me, that helps me, get all of my expenses for for the props I buy or for the things I buy for the video. So for that matter, I will join a team.
But then I think it'll be very easy for you to get into a team after you find a good one, because like
Yeah.
your content, no one really does that. So
Yeah,
I think
I
they
even
might-
think the current teams, the big current teams, do not consider taking me in. Like, not that I want to, कि आओ मेरे
It's
को लो,
out
but
of place in like most of the big teams because like the content creators are like FN content creators.
yeah, exactly, and I don't. Yeah, that's one thing. So even when I made FN content, there weren't anyone who ever tried to approach me or anything. It wasn't, yeah, okay, I wasn't. There wasn't really any importance in the community for me. I feel like, which is why even in the Fortnite community, I felt out of place. This is that's why I try to do something unique, because I feel like I can never be. I don't know how to put this in words, but I feel like I cannot be a part of something where I feel homely. Apart from that, okay, I have a lot of friends with my similar kind of taste and my sort of similar kind of personality, but if you're talking about a whole community, I don't feel like I have a place there. Talking about the Fortnite community as well. Like, okay, so once I started getting out of the Fortnite community, I made more friends in that process. While instead of when I was in the community, when I was trying to establish myself. If that makes sense. I don't know if that
like
makes sense.
what do you think went wrong in the Fortnite thing? Like why did you quit it? What do you
So,
think went
there
wrong?
wasn't anything wrong. As I said, I got really bored, and I got bored, and as I said, I was forcing myself to stream every day, and I didn't really enjoy the game. And I thought, and then I also remembered what made me start YouTube wasn't gaming at all. It was because gaming is a thing which every other person, streaming is a thing which every other person tries at this point, and I feel like there is a lot of competition, and it will be really hard for me to grow with a game like Fortnite. And to be really honest, I don't really like Fortnite was the best game ever I've played, and I cannot really enjoy any other game apart from that.